Hello and welcome back dear subscriber. Today in this video I am going to write C program to implement sum of factorial. So let me first tell you what is sum of factorial, and then after I will implement this program very simple way in C so you can understand it. And please watch the complete video without skipping so you can understand the problem statement and implementation part very well. So I hope you watch the first video and you know how to calculate factorial of any number, and this is sums of factorial. So like how many number, always assume the number will start from 1 and up to what number you want to calculate the sum of factorial. So if you calculate up to 1, so it is 1, up to 2, so 1 plus 2 is 3, up to 3 you have to calculate the sum of factorial. So 1 plus 2 plus 6 is 9, up to 4 you have to calculate factorial, then 1 plus 2 plus 3 like 6 plus and 24, so it is 33, up to factorial of 5. So up to sum of factorial up to 44, so this is 33, and plus 120 factorial of 5, so it is 153. So like that you can calculate the sum of factorial. So let me write program for it. So you have to first take one user input n, and then you have to calculate factorial. So as first program you will just mention f equal to n, and you also need one loop I, and you have to store factorial sum. So fs you have to give, and it is 0, initialize with 0, it will be better because you have to add something. Okay, you initialize with 0. Now print of, just putting the information. Okay, some mistake is there, sorry, print of. So enter the number to calculate what? To calculate sum of factorials. And with semicolon. Now I have to scan the number, means take the user input, scan of percentile d or percentile I, it is as it is integer number. Okay, and n we are storing. Then using for loop I am going to calculate the factorial for I equal to 1. I is less than equal to how much? N, up to n, right? And I plus plus. Now I am going to do multiple operations, so I am going to give it the block. So it is going to be f equal to f into how much? F into I. So this is factorial I am going, but I want sum of that factorial, right? So how I can do? I have to add one more for loop, 4, and one more counter is also required, so make it j. Okay, so j equal to how much? From 1 to j is less than how much? Less than equal to the given number and j plus plus. So this is the outer loop. Okay, done. And this is the nested loop it is going to be. So I am just like, this is, you know well, this is going to be calculate what? This code is going to be calculate what? Factorial, right? And now I am going to sum it. So up to what I have to calculate? Up to j I have to calculate that factorial, right? First we have to calculate factorial of 1, then after factorial of 2, factorial of 3, like that you have to calculate, and up to n. Got it? And I am going to do the sum. So factorial sum equal to the existing value of fs plus e of what factorial you got, right? So this way you can write. Okay, and now I am going to print the output. The sum of the keyboard is not working properly. The sum of factorials of what number? The user given input. So percentile D is how much? Percentile D only. Okay, so two specifier I have used. So the first is like on, and the next is factorial sum if, right? So let me run it and show you. So see, the factorial sum of 1 is how much? It should be 1, right? The factorial sum of 2 is how much? Let's see. So it is 3, you can see, right? The factorial sum of 3 is how much? It is how much? It is coming 50. Okay, so 3 is 50. Okay, let me calculate. Okay, there is something mistake. Okay, check. The factorial of 5 is okay, something is mistake. Okay, let me check it. We check it what is mistake here. So factorial of 1, it will start from 1, go up to n. Okay, and this is what we are doing. Okay, so actually after calculating this factorial, we have to make it 0. So 0 not 1 we have to make it. Otherwise it will be always going on multiplication, like factorial of it will calculate 3, factorial of 3, and again it coming to 4, it will again multiply with that existing value with 1 into 2 into 3. That's why we are getting different result, right? Let me check it again and see. The factorial of 3 is, now it is giving 3. Okay. Oh, here problem, again problem. See, we have to make it in the other part. Wait, we have to stop it. Actually before adding we can do. Well, so okay, well, and after this we can make f equal to 1. Let's see how we are fixing it. 1. See, factorial of 3, so it is 9. You can see factorial of 4, so it is 33. Well, factorial of 5, so it is 153. So why it was? Because before adding the factorial to factorial sum, we was initializing to 1. That's why we are getting error in second step. Please go back and watch it again so you can understand it very clearly. And if you have any doubt, please don't forget to post your doubts in comment section. I will be always there to reply you out and help you to understand the program. And if you have any other program, then please mention your problem statement in the comment section. I will definitely help you out to solve that and implement that program in any language, Python or C++ or C or Java. Okay, thanks a lot for watching this video, and if you really like our content, then please don't forget to subscribe this channel and share this video as well as like the video. Please stay at home, stay safe, stay tuned with our channel. Happy learning.